Hey guys, we have here our Toyota Fortuner, and in this video we want to explain to you how to replace the air filter of the engine in one of these vehicles. So we start out by opening the driver door, and you probably know where you find the lever here for your gas cap. And right next to it here to the left, that's where we find the lever for the hood. So we're going to pull on that, and after that we will be able to open the hood here by putting our hand right in here. And there's a small lever. I'm going to show you this in detail here. You're going to pull that up into the side, and that allows you to lift the hood up. And then we have here this pole here that we can put into this hole to hold up the hood so that we can easily work. And when we take a look at the left side of the engine, then here we find the air filter box, and the cover of that is just held in place by 4 metal clips. So 1 clip in each corner, and we're just going to push those clips backward. It is really easy, you don't need any tools. Just use your thumb to push them back, and then we can already lift up the cover of our air filter box, and here we have the old air filter. And you see here, this one is really old, so it's really black inside. So it's time to replace it with a new one. I'm also going to put a link here in the video description below, and then we're going to compare here first the old filter with the new filter, making sure that it's really the same size, the same model. So this one looks right, and then we're going to take a peek here inside of the bottom of the air filter box, and you see there's really a lot of dirt. So I took a little rag here and wiped that out a little bit to get rid of the dust. Making sure nothing goes into the engine here, and then we can already put the new air filter in place, making sure that the rubber seal here is really sealing everything correctly, that it sits correctly. Let's use your finger and do a visual check before we're putting the cover of the air filter box back on, and here making sure also that this sits correctly in the right position, and then we should be able to really easily close those clips again by just pushing them forward. Make sure they're all sitting in the right location. If they are not easily to be closed, then probably something's wrong. The air filter box is not sealing correctly. Then you should just try it again. Okay, so then that was already it. So now we can close the hood again. Here, put the pole back into this holder, and then when we close the hood, we're going to drop it from about 20 centimeters or like a foot, making sure that it closed correctly. Okay, so that was all it for the video. Hope you found the information helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.